This is called lightning add. Meredith, I'm going to ask you if you would please to give me a 5-digit number. Make all 5 digits different.
3, 4, 5, 7, 9.
3, 4, 5, 7, 9. And I'm going to ask you for a second 5-digit number again. All 5 digits different, please.
7, 1, 6, 5, 2.
7, 1, 6, 5, 2. All right, and then let me put a couple of 5-digit numbers down here to go with the 2 that you've already given me. Now I'm going to ask you for one more 5-digit number. I'm going to ask you to step in here and write it right across the top. As soon as you finish writing that number, I'm going to take the marker and instantly, just like lightning, add all 5 numbers. One, 9, 3, 8, 2. All right, let's see how I did. 2 and 9 is 11, and 2 is 13, and 7 is 20. Carry our 2. 8 and 2 is 10, 17, 22, 24, 28. Again, carry a 2. 2 and 3 is 5, 10, 16, 23. Carry our 2. 9 and 2 is 11, 15, 16, 21, and 8 is 29. Carry your 2 again. 3, 6, 13, 19, 20, 21, 219,380. Just like lightning.